PVS Group is one of India's largest manufacturers and exporters of high-quality animal healthcare specialties and feed additives. With a 30-year legacy, trusted by 500+ international clients in 60 countries, we are committed to global expansion. With a robust network of 2,000+ distributors across India, PVS Group is a trusted name in animal healthcare, known for quality and innovation. The world-class manufacturing facility spanning 400,000 square feet and the largest in India's animal healthcare sector reflects our commitment to meet global demand with efficiency and precision. Our facility produces a wide range of products, including liquids, powders, granules, tablets, boluses, suspensions, gel binders, aerosol sprays, and oral syringes. Equipped with fully automated machineries, we ensure high quality and consistency in product delivery to all our national and international clients. Rigorous quality checks further guarantee that only the highest quality products reach our clients. We pride ourselves on transparency and quality. We invite clients to visit our facilities to see firsthand the advanced technologies and high standards that define our operations. The diverse portfolio features premium feed supplements, feed additives, nutraceuticals, probiotics, antibiotics growth promoters, coccidiostats, disinfectants, feed concentrates, phytobiotics, concentrated postbiotics, herbals, and over 400 approved antibiotics and dewormers. Every product meets stringent international standards with rigorous quality checks from procurement to distribution. Our expertise spans diverse animal segments, including poultry, cattle, sheep, goats, pigs, pets, horses, camels, and aquaculture. The DSIR accredited R&D facility drives innovation with highly advanced machinery, enabling the precise separation and characterization of molecules. Backed by highly trained staff, our R&D is dedicated to developing unique molecules in phytobiotics, symbiotics, postbiotics, prebiotics, and probiotics, using novel technologies like advanced symbiotic molecule technology. By leveraging innovative fermentation technologies, PVS Group produces premium healthcare and feed additives enriched with potent postbiotics, reducing reliance on chemicals and antibiotics. With over 45 genome-tagged probiotic strains, exclusively isolated by our core R&D team, PVS Group integrates these strains into the production of probiotics and unique biological formulations. Accreditations such as GMP, CGMP, ISO, DSIR, HACCP, and GLP underscore our commitment to quality and safety. A key milestone is the recent US FDA accreditation of our nutraceutical products. At the heart of our success is a vibrant corporate office with a dedicated team of skilled professionals. Our robust training programs foster continuous growth and employee happiness. We promote a supportive environment with peaceful meditation rooms for better focus. PVS Group operates a regional head office in Vietnam, supported by a dynamic team, and stands as one of the leading exporters to the Vietnam market. Our state-of-the-art in-house studio produces high-quality promotional materials, driving business growth and client satisfaction. Numerous prestigious awards solidify our reputation as an industry leader in both Indian and global markets. At PVS Group, we are committed to improving animal health by providing innovative, reliable solutions and building trusted partnerships worldwide.